Here's a list of some important historical events that happened on December 2nd. Monroe Doctrine Declared 1823. On December 2, 1823, President James Monroe introduced the Monroe Doctrine, warning European nations not to interfere in the Americas. It declared that any attempt to colonize or control nations in the Western Hemisphere would be seen as a threat to the U.S. The doctrine supported the independence of Latin American countries recently freed from European rule. It also marked the start of America asserting its influence globally. The Monroe Doctrine became a cornerstone of U.S. foreign policy for many years. First controlled nuclear chain reaction, beginning of the atomic age 1942. On December 2, 1942, Enrico Fermi and his team achieved the first self-sustaining nuclear chain reaction under the University of Chicago Stadium. This experiment proved that enormous energy could be released from splitting atoms, marking the start of the atomic age. It paved the way for nuclear energy and atomic weapons. While a scientific triumph, it also brought fears about nuclear destruction. The success laid the groundwork for all future nuclear research. Formation of the United Arab Emirates 1971. On December 2, 1971, 6 emirates, including Abu Dhabi and Dubai, joined to form the United Arab Emirates UAE. This union turned small, separate sheikdoms into a single, modern nation with a provisional constitution. The formation brought stability and cooperation to the region. Over time, the UAE grew into a prosperous and globally recognized country. December 2nd is celebrated every year as UAE National Day, symbolizing unity and progress. Fidel Castro becomes president of Cuba 1976. On December 2, 1976, Fidel Castro officially became president of Cuba, formalizing the power he held since the Cuban Revolution. This strengthened Cuba's communist system and influenced global politics during the Cold War. Castro's leadership shaped the country's society, economy, and international relations for decades. The appointment was a key moment in Cuban history, signaling the continuation of his long-term rule. First permanent artificial heart implanted 1982. On December 2, 1982, doctors at the University of Utah Medical Center successfully implanted the world's first permanent artificial heart in Barney Clark, a retired dentist. This groundbreaking surgery showed that artificial organs could keep humans alive longer than before. Clark survived 112 days after the operation, giving hope to people with severe heart conditions. The success opened new possibilities in organ replacement and medical research. December 2nd became a historic day in medicine. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. We'd also love to hear from you, so leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Thanks for watching.